Hi everyone, welcome to the series of guides about Amazon Selling Partner API notifications. In this video, we will cover Part 1, a recap of SP API notifications and an introduction to the sample solution. Our sample solution includes HTTP webhooks, cross-account AWS SQS, integration with other cloud services like GCP and Azure. Let's explore how to set up and manage your notification system effectively. First, let's talk about SP API notification basics. Then we'll explore the sample solution. Here's some key points that we need to know why SP API notifications are valuable for your business. 3 easy steps to use SP API notifications. Step 1. Create a box. Step 2. Register destinations using the box. Step 3. Subscribe notification. That's it. Let's look at the comprehensive notification types that SP API supports. For more detailed information, please check out the SP API documentation website. Here are some examples of use cases using notifications. Inventory, always synced. Reports, no unnecessary calls. Orders, quick change detection. Pricing, competitive advantage. Listings, early issue detection. These are just a few examples. There are more use cases out there. One challenge can be, not everyone is using AWS infrastructure. Don't worry, we got you covered. With our notification sample solution. Let's go take a look. Visit Google search to find SP API sample solution GitHub site. You can find it on top of search result. Now, let's tap into use cases. Then, tap into notifications. Find and open the README file for detailed instructions. This README file contains essential information about this sample solution. And we have covered other language such as Japanese and Chinese, as you can see. Please take time to read it thoroughly. Every detail matters for successful implementation. Now, let's move on to the quick start section. Next, we'll explore the development instructions in detail. Before we begin, make sure to read through all prerequisites thoroughly. As this is an AWS-based solution, you'll need access to AWS services for implementation. Let's set up the required CDK permissions for deployment. Here's what you'll need to do. First, create your IAM policy. Next, create a user and attach the policy. Finally, retrieve your IAM user credentials. The document provides detailed instructions for each step. Make sure to follow them precisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to catch our next episode, Part 2, where we'll explore deploying the notification sample solution with minimal login configuration.